This Platinum Microsoft Surface Laptop Go is thin and lightweight, weighing only 1.11 kgs, making it ideal for people on the go. It comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Home in S mode, making it ready for use. The laptop comes with 10th generation Intel Core i5 processor to ensure high speed and performance for seamless multitasking. It also comes with 30-day trial pack of Microsoft 365 family. It features an 8GB LPDDR4X RAM, Intel UHD graphics that allows you to browse and work efficiently. Surface Laptop Go has 128GB SSD that provides higher responsiveness and faster boot up while being enough to store all your videos, movies and photos. The laptop comes with battery life of up to 13 hours. This Microsoft Surface Laptop Go has a 12.4-inch PixelSense display for an immersive viewing experience. It is also touchscreen enabled. The laptop comes with two USB 3.0 ports. The laptop comes with 39-watt power supply, quick start guide and safety and warranty documents included in the box. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For return or replacement policy, refer to product detail page. For further information, visit the product detail page.